gives me some also understanding more about life. So in Sunday worship service, I didn't expect that there's a lot of children, maybe 30 plus.
Teacher Leah said around 50.
Yes. But they are really listening. Even they are many. And I can speak freely because
They are not fighting.
they are not fighting. They are, focusing on what they can say. So I really miss them. But I didn't talk to the youth because there's some problem. So that's why I feel sad that time because I just want to have fellowship with them and have some sharing time. But I didn't do it.